Welcome back to 10 Slate Info. As Russian President Vladimir Putin will be visiting India on December 6th for the 21st Annual Summit and also for 2 plus 2 format talks, we can expect updates on many deals which have been signed and which have been in talks for some time. Not only that, we can expect more orders or deals to be signed between Russia and India during this particular visit. This video will provide details about such deals in a short and quick manner. To begin with, let's first see the status of Russia's S-400 missile system delivery. As per the Russian official, Russia has started delivering the S-400 surface-to-air missile systems to India, and the deliveries are going as per the plan. Even though there is no official comment by the Indian Air Force on the S-400 deliveries, but as per the Russian official, the deliveries of the missile system are going on as planned. So let's expect India gets the entire 5 S-400 missile system as planned and deploy them near the borders where it can hunt down the Chinese flying objects. The next deal in which we'll get more clarity is about the long pending 200 Kamau K2260 light utility helicopters. The main intention behind acquiring these choppers is to replace the aging Cheetah and Chetak helicopters, which had a large number of incidents recently. Among the orders signed, 60 helicopters are expected to come from Russia in flyaway condition, and the remaining are to be built at HAL via the Make in India policy. India wants higher indigenous content in the Kamau K2260 choppers, which are to be jointly built in the country, and the deal is stuck in the evaluation stage on the indigenous content percentage. Russia is yet to meet India's requirement for 70% indigenous content in the remaining 140 helicopters, which is going to be manufactured in India. So we can wait for more updates on this particular deal post the Russian president's visit. Now coming to the next deal, which might get more light, is on the manufacturing of AK-203 Kalashnikov assault rifles at Korva Ordnance Factory in Amethi district of UP. Ahead of Russian President Vladimir Putin's visit, the much-awaited deal to manufacture the AK-203 assault rifles in India in partnership with Russia was cleared by the Defense Ministry on November 23, 2021. The contract is said to be formally signed during December 2021 when Russian President is scheduled to visit India. As per the recent update from defense sources, it looks like all required talks regarding the cost, the transfer of technology, and other manufacturing related decisions have been finalized. Coming to the next deal in the list is the delivery of 12 Sukhoi Su-30MK fighter and 21 MiG-29 fighters which were ordered by India. Yes, one of the most anticipated updates which India would be expecting during Russian President visit to India is about the status and delivery of the 12 Sukhoi Su-30MK and 21 MiG-29 fighters which were ordered. We all know that in June 2020, India decided to place an order for additional Sukhoi Su-30MK and MiG-29 fighters, and the main intention to place this interim order was to strengthen or boost the fleet strength of Indian Air Force. So let's expect to get an update that the ordered 12 Sukhoi Su-30MK and 29 MiG-29 fighters will be delivered to Indian Air Force at the earliest and boost their capability. The last one in the list which I thought of mentioning is about the IGLA-S very short range air defense systems. Even this deal doesn't have much clarity, so we can expect more updates on the $1.5 billion deal for India to acquire the very short range air defense system from Russia. This system will help India to counter low flying aircraft as the last line of defense against the flying objects in a layered air defense system. These systems will have a maximum range of 6 km and altitude of 3 km along with all-weather capability. So that was a video which I thought of uploading before Russian President Vladimir Putin's visit to India. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slate Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.